I'm not enough. I'm too much. Nobody really loves me. Everything is my fault. I always ruin everything.
Who taught you to say those things about yourself?
I don't know.
That question changes everything. Who taught you to say those things about yourself? So many of the thoughts we believe aren't really our own. They came from someone who criticized us, rejected us, abused us, or made us feel like we would never be enough. But just because you heard those words doesn't make them true. Start questioning the lies instead of believing them. Your healing begins when you stop listening to the voices that broke you and start listening to the truth. You are enough. You always have been. Let's keep talking about it.